Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to update Redmi Buds 8 Lite software, or let's say how to install the latest Earbuds firmware. So to do this, you must have the Xiaomi Earbuds application. It's an application that you can download for free from the Play Store or from Apple Store. You have to open it, and of course, you should take your earbuds out from their box. And as you can see here, there is an option called Update Firmware. So if you want, as you can see, I'm using the latest version. But if you are not using the latest version, you have just to click on it. And after that, you have to sign in to your Xiaomi account. And you can update your Redmi Buds 8 Lite software or firmware. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.